Hello friends, this is MDX Training Part 2. My name is Vikas Munjal and I am Microsoft Certified Trainer. SSAS Training Multi-Dimensional Model Part 3 is also launched. After the launch of this course, along with MDX Part 1 and 2, I have completed the series of SSAS technology on multi-dimensional model. In MDX Training Part 1, I have discussed MDX terminologies. I discuss what are sets, what are tuples, what are calculated members, what are named sets, and in which situation you need to use named set and in which situation you need to use calculated members. But in MDX Training Part 2, I will explain you this course using many business scenarios, and this is the specialty of the course that I have covered the course contents using the business scenarios. Lab exercises and demonstrations will also be provided for practice so that you feel more comfortable in writing MDX commands. And after this course, the participant will be able to write complex MDX queries. Now I will discuss business scenarios which I have included in this particular course. For example, for every product I am interested in percentage sales contribution to the business. For example, I have hundreds of product. One product has 5% of the contribution to the business. Second product has 10% of contribution to the overall sales. So from the percentage contribution, you can come to know that which product is sold more. Not only percentage contribution of every product, but also percentage contribution of the product to its subcategory and then percentage sales contribution of every subcategory to its category. Then I have also included business scenarios where you can divide your products into sections. For example, if the percentage sale contribution of the product to the business is around 20%, then the product belong to class A. But if the percentage is between 10% to 20%, then it belongs to class B, otherwise it belongs to class C. Other business scenarios are such as you want to find monthly sales and for every month what is the average per day sale. Then for every country you want to find out top 5 best selling products. For example, what are the top best selling products of Australia, then top best 5 selling products for Canada, Germany and so on. For a given year, I want to find out the sales of first 6 months. I want to compare the current year sales with the previous year sales. I want to compare the first 6 month sales of the current year with the first 6 month sales with the previous year. Then I want to compare current month sale with the average of last 3 month sales. Now let's suppose I am maintaining an inventory system, and in that inventory system I want to find out the opening stock at the start of the month and closing stock at the end of the month. I want to provide ranks to the products based on the sale. If the product has highest sales, then it should be given rank 1. If the product has the lowest sale, then it should be given the last rank. I will include business scenarios such as you are displaying the sales country wise. For example, Australia has some amount of sales, Canada has some amount of sales, then United States has some amount of sales. But what you want to do, you also want to display the members of United States. We have some drill down functions with which you can achieve this scenario. Now these are the course contents. In this MDX training part 2, I will cover lot of functions which are used with multi-level hierarchies as well as single level attribute hierarchy. For example, descendant functions, ascendant functions, parent, ancestor, these are some functions which work with multi-level user-defined hierarchy. But there are functions such as previous member, next member, lag, lead, these kind of functions can be used with single level attribute hierarchy as well as multi-level attribute hierarchies. Then we have more functions such as if, switch, cross join, union, accept, intersect, and lot of drill down functions. Then we have generate function. Generate function can be useful if you want to find out top 5 best selling products of every country. I will also work with time situations. I have already given you a lot of business scenarios where I have used the time. For example, I want to find out the sales of first 6 months. I want to compare current month sale with the last 3 months sales. I want to compare first 6 months of the current year with the first 6 months of the last year. For that, first what I have to do, I have to add the time intelligence to my date dimension. So how to do that I will be going to show you. Because without time intelligence, your YTD, which is years to date function, quarters to date function, month to date function, week to date function, periods to date function, these kind of functions will not work until you provide time intelligence to it. So I will discuss not only all these functions, but I will also discuss how you will be going to add the time intelligence to the date dimension. Let me provide you my brief introduction. I am master in computer application. I am working with SQL Server since 2008. I have conducted more than 200 trainings in SQL Server technology. I have conducted many corporate trainings in SQL Server technology to Indian and foreign delegates. Some of the famous companies are Siemens, Dell, Genpact, Noorbank, WHO, Ilionix, SAP Labs, Texas Instruments, Chevron, Indra, and many more. I also worked as a SQL Server and BI developer. Currently, I am running a website www.lr.com which provides virtual training as well as face-to-face training to individuals and corporates in SQL Server technology. I am Microsoft certified trainer, Microsoft certified professional, and Microsoft certified solution expert in data platform, BI platform, and data management and analytics. I also write blog posts on SQL Server technology in lr.com. I also have one YouTube channel. The name of the channel is LR Admin.